Hello from Slovenia again. Uh, Happy New Year. I wish you all the best in the new 2023 year. I entered this year with the bad cold, so I cough quite a lot. So I will just tell you quickly what I will do, and then I will play some music because I can't talk. I'm okay, to paint. I feel okay, but just I'm coughing and everything else, so don't want you to hear all this stuff. My last two paintings in 2022 were with primary colors, and one of them were a chaos Dutch pour. And one goal for this year is to do a Dutch pour and stop when I need to, because I didn't at my previous ones. But I really love the colors, so I will try this once more. I have 12 by 16 inch canvas today, and the composition will be inspired by Erica Hughes' art. I will link her video. She did amazing Dutch pour with some blues and I think brulee or something from TLP, and it was kind of this composition that I will go for today too. I painted my sides with black so that I don't need to worry, and now I will start layering my paints and blow it out. I have primary cyan, primary magenta, they are all Amsterdam paints, and primary yellow, and I have oxide black and titanium white. So let's start. So I will stop, even though that I would love to blow this part maybe a little bit to have. I will try to show you what I'm talking about, but I will just leave it like it is. So here is a close-up. Of course I'm tempted to play a little more with this part, but I will not. This is something that kind of bothers me, but otherwise I am pleased, and the sides are beautiful. With this deep edged canvas, they are really nice. This I had to play a little bit here, and the colors and the details, I love them. I did fiddle a little bit with this part. I was thinking maybe to, you know, scrape this and blow it again with black, but I will just leave it. I really love this part here. Don't listen to my breathing. Maybe I would love to have a little more blue. Maybe I added a little too much yellow, but I still like it. So this is it for today. I'm happy with the start, the new year. I hope that I can get even better. Thanks for watching. Bye.